This is a Mi portable air compressor, which is a convenient electronic mobile pump. It has a digital pressure sensor, digital tire pressure detection, and more. So let's go! Hi everyone, I'm Nick. I hope all of you are in good condition during this pandemic. Today we are going to share you about Mi portable air compressor, which I bought from lazada.com. Mi portable, as you can see it. This is not an iPod or a giant lock. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. We're gonna see how good it is. Inside the box, you will get the air compressor, a crystal valve adapter, a needle valve adapter, and USB Type-B charging cable, a storage pouch, and a user manual. The verdicts: this Mi portable air compressor is really useful and value for money, worth buying. With this affordable price, you can pump the tires, sport balls anytime without using a conventional pump. It saves your time and energy. Other than that, for its cons, the main concern is that if the device's battery is low, you couldn't pump your tire. It might be also slightly noisy, but the sound is acceptable. Overall, this is really a good device for you. You guys love it, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, stay safe, stay away from Miss Corona, and kita jaga kita. Ciao!